The best and easiest way you can reach your potential client is through email, their email. That's the most personal way you can reach out to them one-on-one. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can extract about 100,000 and even more emails of anybody, anywhere in the world that you want to reach. Now, if you're in any industry, you're a marketing agent or you have a business and you want to reach out to your clients in a particular industry, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get clients from a particular industry. For instance, if you want to get the emails of medical doctors where you want to sell medical stethoscope or probably medical equipment to, I'm going to show you how you can get the email of particularly medical doctors. I'm also going to be showing you how you can get email of anybody, nurses, email of literally anybody in your industry. You need to understand that in the current era that we are right now, the best way you can actually reach your potential client is by reaching them directly by their email. And so it is very important, if you have not been leveraging the use of email, this is the time for you to take advantage of email. And listen, if you have nothing doing and you probably think of a product you want to sell to a particular audience, the best way to start is to reach out to them through email. Think about any product you want to sell. If you want to start selling laptops, all right, all you have to think about is people, probably students in their final year, and how you want to reach these people, right? And you reach them through email marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that, because first you need to have their emails. Secondly, you need to verify their emails to make sure that these emails are actually verified. So you don't want to send email and it goes to spam because you're sending it to the wrong email. Regardless of what platform you're using to send this email, right? As long as this email is not directed to a verified email address, it's probably going to spam you, and it's just a matter of time before they actually kick you out of that platform. All right, without further ado, let's hop right in. But hold on, I have a free gift for you. I have a one-on-one masterclass on how you can start making money online as early as next week. All you have to do is to comment in the comment section, hey Phil, I want to be a part of your class, and I'm going to send you the invite. Listen, classes have already started, but good news, we just started recently and we still have a recordings of our introduction and you can always listen to them. Please do very well to drop a comment in the comment section quickly so that I can send you the invite and you can be a part of that class as soon as possible. People are already making money from these classes, I guarantee you. Now, also, if this is your first time here, do very well to hit on the subscribe button, all right, if you feel like I'm giving you value. And also like this video so that more people can see it and it can help more people. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you how you can actually start making money from email marketing. So the first thing you want to do is to come on your Chrome browser. When you come on your Chrome browser, you don't just type whatever it is you're typing. First, what you want to do is to come here to your URL and type google.com, and it's going to load. Now, mind you, it's not the same as when you're just searching on your browser as to when you search under google.com. Now, when you come to google.com, what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is to actually change some of the setting on your Chrome browser. And one of the settings we need to change on your Chrome browser, of course, is the setting of your location. Now, the location is important to whatever region you're searching. For instance, if you're looking for people in Nigeria, you probably use Nigeria as your location. If you're looking for people in Ghana, use Ghana as your location. If you're looking for people in South Africa, Uganda, Pakistan, US, UK, anywhere, use that. But for the sake of this tutorial, I usually focus on United States of America because I feel like they have the buying power for whatever it is you want to sell. So you want to come here on setting and click on setting, click on search setting, right? It's going to bring you here. Then you come here and click on other setting. So you can see this language and region. So you click on language and region. You can see here, under here, you come here and click on wherever you want. Now on this place, I'm just going to type United States. So you can see my location by default is United States already. So I'm just going to come here and click on confirm, and that's about it. Now the next thing you want to do after you've confirmed your location, this is very particular. To confirm your location, do not forget to do this. Do not forget to do it. It's very important that you confirm your location because you can't just send, for instance, if you're selling product in Nigeria, you can't sell this product, you can't Google email, you can't scrape email of people in Kenya. It doesn't work that way. The next thing you want to do is to open a new tab on your Chrome browser, and we'll dive straight into the subject matter. Now you've opened a new tab on your browser. But also on this new tab on your browser, what you have to do again, like we did earlier, is to also type google.com. Now when you type google.com, the interface is going to look this way. You have a Google search, you have this. It's not just going to be a normal Chrome browser setup, right? So what you want to do is, let's assume you're probably searching for doctors in the USA. You're probably trying to sell to them medical equipment. So I'm just going to come here and say doctors in USA, Gmail. I'm gonna close it. Now this is in. Make sure that every word you type is correct. Doctors in USA, Gmail. Now make sure everything is put properly. If not, you won't get the required results. So you're going to click on Google search. Now you can see this has brought for us a number of email of people who, or rather doctors who are actually in the USA. You can see are all of this. I'm not gonna click on that. See, now you can either choose to actually copy this email manually, which is going to take you years to actually do. So many tons of emails here, tons of email. You can see this is email, this is various emails, but these are all doctors in the United States of America, right? Now the question is, do you want to do this manually? Absolutely not, because that's going to take long for you to do. You don't have all the time to do that. So what we want to do is we're just going to Control A all of this, right? And I'm going to take you to a website where you can actually check for email. All you have to do is to paste this on that website, and it's going to scrape all the emails that we require for. What you want to do is to come to this website called emailchecker.net. I typed it on Google. Just when you come to emailchecker.com, it's going to look like this. This is emailchecker.com. The interface is going to look like this. Now, do not be tempted to just paste what you've copied from Google here. Go to the menu. What you want to do is to extract email from what you have copied from Google. So what you want to do is to come here and click on Email Checker. Come here and paste everything. Just paste everything. Don't worry. Just paste everything you copied from Google and click on Extract Email. Now you can see our email. Every email have been extracted one after the other. Now you can do this for multiple Google pages, extract one after the other. But hold on, there is even one interesting thing. Now what if the email we're trying to extract, not everybody is actually on Gmail. Some people in the developed world are probably using Hotmail. So what we want to search in this term is actually people using Hotmail, right? Doctors in USA, then Hotmail. We're also going to copy all of this and do the same thing, repeat the same process. For instance, some of the people might be using Yahoo Mail. Same thing applies. You're just gonna click on this and it's going to bring out a number of doctors. You can see this is at 24yahoo.com. This is at Yahoo. Like literally, it's going to bring out people using Yahoo and so forth and so on and so forth, right? So basically, you want to choose any email, any email, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or whatever, and then come to Email Extractor and actually paste the email you've copied and extract every email you've gotten from Email Extractor. Hold on, I even have a better package for you. Now, I would always advise people to actually micro niche, like niche down, because these doctors can be doctors in different industry, gynecologists, neurologists. So I always like to actually niche down. So what you want to do is to come to Google and type, different fields or different medical or different type of medical doctors and search for it. Now it's going to bring out for you a list of different type of medical doctors. So what you want to do now that you have the list of different medical doctors, you can now niche down. You can decide to choose that you want to focus on cardiologists. You can decide you want to focus on dermatologists. You can decide you want to focus on orthopedic surgeons. You can decide you want to focus on neuro. Now this is specific for medical doctors. I'm not sure what industry you want to extract their email for, whatever industry you're extracting email for. But the point I'm trying to make is that this is very particular for people if I'm searching for people in probably medical field and all that stuff, right? Now, that being said, what I want to do here is I want to come here and copy all the email. I've copied literally the email I want, right? The next thing I want to do is actually verify this email. Now, you can decide to paste this on an Excel sheet, paste this on an Excel sheet in order for you to have a document of it, or you can decide to just leave it or extract it from your emailchecker.com. So for the sake of this video and time, I'm not going to do that. Now that you have extracted all of this email, the next thing you want to do is to verify, because you're not just going to send emails to all of this email you've copied. Some email are not existing anymore. Some of these doctors, some of this email for some of these doctors, the doctors are dead, and this email have been probably invalid for or not been used dormant for like 3, 4, 5 years, and Gmail is not going to recognize this, or Yahoo Mail, whatever mail it is not going to recognize it. And if you want to send email, you are using a bulk email sender. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you, in the next page I have a video I've created on how you can send bulk emails to people, right? It will reflect at the end of this video. Now, if you want to send bulk emails to all of these people, it is very important that you verify each email. Now, how do you verify? I'm going to give you about 4 different websites that you can verify this email. Now, the first website on my list will be zerobounce.com. Now, you see on Zerobounce, it said included with your free account. I'm trying to open a free account, so all I can do here is open a free account. Now, I have gotten to the point where I'm opening the account. All I need here is to enter my mobile number, select my country. So I'm just going to come here and input my mobile number, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that, right? I have other email services I use. So you see, included with your free account is 100 free credit every month. Now you have 100 credit every month. Usually it's actually 5. You can use 5 credit every month, so you can check for 5 emails every month. It says email provide integration, real-time result, full API access with Soundboard. But what you want is actually to check for email. Another website you can use is neverbounce.com. Remember, we're using this website to actually validate the emails we have been able to scrape, right? So this is like a bonus. So you want to come here and paste your email, right? And then you're good to go. Paste your email here and you try for free to check if it's valid or not. Another website you can use is validity.com. See, different tools you can use. Another website you can actually use is snuv.io. All you have to do is to come here and get a free account, and that's about all you need. Now, like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, if you watch up until those points, right, and you missed the early part of this video, if you want to be a part of my one-on-one class where I teach people how to actually create digital revenue, right, money in the online space, all you have to do is to drop a comment in the comment section saying I want to be a part of your class, and I'm going to send you the invite. Now, without further ado, start extracting email and enjoy yourself. Thank you for watching this video.